Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope that you all are fine today. Okay, before starting our topic, I want to share two sentences with you. The first one is I am very happy because I stood first in my class. And the second one is I am very happy on account of standing first in my class. If you look on the meaning of these two sentences, basically both the sentences have the same meanings, but the second one is most curious. So today we will read about the reasoning phrases. I say why only because when we have a lot of other options. जब दूसरे बहुत सारे options हों तो सिर्फ because ही क्यों? So today I will tell you some phrases that we can use in place of because. The first one is for plus first form of verb plus ing. The second one is on account of. The third one is because of, and the fourth one is owing to. Let's see how we will make the sentences using the first option. The first sentence is my mother is very happy for getting her new dress. I am very excited on receiving this parcel from you. Sarah was sad for not going to the picnic with her friends. The girls are excited for not being punished by their teacher. So just see, we use for first form of verb plus ing. And if there was the negative sentence, we use not after for. I hope that you understand the use of this first kind. So let's move to the other one. The second one is on account of. Amna was absent on account of her friend's birthday. The girl was sad on account of her below average result. Aslam and Rabia are going for shopping on account of this uncle marriage. I got up early in the morning on account of my exams. This phrase was also very easy, so I hope that you all understood with these examples. The third one is because of. The first sentence is my mother is anxious because of my illness. Sarah is crying because of headache. We are excited because of sudden holidays. Wow. Zara is happy because of her new frock. Tahira is eating a bun because of hunger. Shahid is not playing cricket because of his exams. So this was the second phrase, because of, and I hope that this was also a very easy thing to understand. So let's move towards the next phrase and the sentences using that phrase. The next phrase is owing to. The word is owing to. The sentences are I am having a bad day owing to my tests. Almost all of us don't like tests. Sana is looking gorgeous owing to this new dress. The party was full of fun owing to the fast music. Rabia is excited owing to a new cell phone, and the teacher asked me to stand up owing to my incomplete work. So these sentences were also interesting and understandable. So I hope that you understand these all phrases shared by me. So here are some words we can use to tell the reason other than because. So the first word that I am going to share with you is as. As I am very busy, I will not attend the birthday party. Asmara is not going to work as she is feeling not well. So I told you the two usage of this word in the start of the sentence or in the mid of the sentence. Both the ways are correct. The second word which I am going to share with you is since. Since she is bored, she will be leaving soon. I am not feeling fresh since I did not take a bath today. So we use the since in the start and in the middle of the sentence to tell the reasons, and both the ways are correct. So I hope that you understand all these phrases and words shared by me, and now you will use them in your sentences. You can also share your sentences, or you can ask questions if you are confused. And please don't forget to comment if you like and understand this video. You can also ask me about some more English topics if you want help. So please like the video, comment it, and try to share it. I will see you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, take care and Allah Hafiz. Have a good day to all of you.